Welcome to my all-new, very rare 1976 Herschede 304 Ashland with the 1200 series movement. This is an exceptionally rare clock, as you can see, Canterbury, Whittington, and Westminster, and today I'll be doing a full demonstration on it. Hope you enjoy. To start, we'll open it up, and you can see we have a key here. And there's the dial. As you can see, it's a floating dial, so kind of a non-traditional style. This was very typical of a couple Hershedes that were produced later on. And I guess we'll start off on Canterbury. And that's Canterbury. On to Whittington. Quick note before I move on to Whittington, it is also really cool to note this clock came with a lot of its original documentation, as you can see down there. I'll go more in depth on that later, but it does have a lot of its original paperwork that came with it. This clock was from Eugene, Oregon. As you can see, it was serviced at the Clockmaker's Gallery. And yeah, so I guess we'll go ahead and do Whittington now. Also important to note that I am still in the process of oiling it, so it might chime slower. It's also important to note this does have the three sets, or it does have one of the three chime options. It has the short nickel rods, and this is one of three that I know of on YouTube, and each of them, we've found all three of the chime rods, so pretty cool fact. Let's listen to Whittington on the hour. There's Whittington. Now we'll go with everyone's favorite, which is Westminster. And those are the chimes. Also important to note that this clock does have a moon dial. As you can see, it has the scenes of Christopher Columbus, the moon, and then colonial America. As you can see down here, you can see the Herschede Ashland nameplate, model number 304. And that'll be it.